What if changing your life came down to improving just 1% each day? Here are 20 life-changing lessons from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. Lessons your brain will thank you for. 1. Small changes make a big difference. Every 1% improvement counts. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. 2. Behavior change starts with identity. Don't focus on what you want to achieve, but on who you want to become. 3. Make it visible. Good habits start with clear cues. Lay out your running shoes. Put fruit on the counter. 4. Make it attractive. Pair your new habit with something fun or rewarding. 5. Make it easy. The easier the behavior, the more likely you'll stick to it. Remove friction. 6. Make it satisfying. Immediate reward encourages repetition. Reward yourself in a healthy way. 7. Use habit stacking. Link a new habit to an existing routine, like doing a breathing exercise after brushing your teeth. 8. Your environment shapes your behavior. Design your surroundings to make good habits happen naturally. 9. Motivation is overrated. Environment is stronger. Your behavior is influenced more by context than by willpower. 10. Repeat to reinforce. Every repetition strengthens the habit like a vote for the person you want to be. 11. Start with 2 minutes. Make it so small you can't fail. 12. Create a don't break the chain effect. Track your progress and try not to break your streak. 13. Build identity through evidence. Every action is proof of who you're becoming. You don't have to be it yet. You become it by doing. 14. Compete with yourself, not others. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. 15. Create systems, not just goals. Goals are a moment. Systems are forever. Focus on the process. 16. Habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Like money grows with interest, success grows through repeated small actions. 17. Slow success is still success. Don't expect quick results. Trust the long-term effect. 18. Reflect and refine. Regularly evaluate your habits and adjust when needed. 19. Bad habits grow in silence, just like good ones, but with destructive effects. Recognize and replace them. 20. Fall in love with the process. Successful people find a way to enjoy the repetition. These are just a few key takeaways, but there's so much more in the book itself. Which lesson hit you the most? Let me know in the comments, or better yet, apply one today. Smart lessons from great books for great minds. If you enjoyed this bite, like, subscribe, and keep feeding your brain, one book at a time, right here on Brain Book Bites. Thanks for watching.